Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix cannot start the PS4 issues. So, for this problem, we will have 3 methods to fix it. First method, update PS4 system software, use a USB drive. To do this, we need a USB drive with at least 2 GB capacity and a computer with an internet connection. Now, connect the USB drive to the computer. After that, we need to formatting USB drive as FAT32 or exFAT. Just open File Explorer, then right-click on the USB drive, then select Format. Now, on File System option, choose FAT32 or exFAT. Here I will choose FAT32. Next, select Start button. Next, create a folder named PS4 on a USB drive. Inside that folder, create another folder named Update. Now, download the PS4 console update file on the PlayStation site and save it in the update folder. Save the file as PS4 update.pup. Once done, plug the USB drive containing the file into your PS4 console. Now, start your PS4 console in safe mode. If you are at the error screen, then just connect the PS4 controller with a USB cable, then press the PlayStation button present on the controller. In case you cannot access safe mode, then turn off the PS4 by press and hold the power button present on the front panel of the PS4 to turn it off. The indicator will blink a few times. One more time, press the power button and keep holding it until you hear 2 beeps. The first beep will usually be heard when you press it initially and the second beep when you keep pressing it, for around 7 seconds. Now connect the PS4 controller with a USB cable. Now press the PlayStation button present on the controller. The PlayStation will now be in the safe mode. Select the option Update System Software. Select Update from USB storage device and follow the instructions. Once completed, you will be free from this annoying problem. In case the problem persists, then the next option you can do is initialize, reinstall system software. To do that, you just need to place the update file with the reinstall file in USB drive. One more time, connect the USB drive to the computer. After that, visit PlayStation site. Now, download PS4 console reinstallation file. Once done, plug the USB drive containing the file into your PS4 console. Start your PS4 console in safe mode. Now, go to the option 7 Initialize, Reinstall System Software, and follow the instructions. Finally, if the problem persists, then try to check the PS4 hard drive health and format it. To do this, we need 1 screwdriver, a computer, 2 SATA cables, data and power, or a USB external hard drive enclosure. For details, please refer to the video linked in the description. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.